Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Start the live streaming for today, Tuesday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, who's ready for today? First of all, let us discuss this stock that we traded or hunted in the pre-market, PTLE. This one is set to only close only in Europe, BTLE and MSPR, unfortunately. But if you live in United States, this one was perfect trade that we did early on today for our hunters. BTLE, we said 37 is the resistance profit taken, and the second profit is the 43. So we hit the 43 in the pre-market, and now the price is going a bit down from this profit taken. So we're gonna adjust the resistance now around the 44, the price that we should break at the market open. SCNX is the other main stock that we should watch because it's jumping perfectly now in the pre-market. Yeah, looking fantastic, guys. SCNX, I'm gonna put it second because yeah, it's the only one that doing fantastic now. Yeah, we got the big buyer for it now. It's getting near a major resistance now around the 143. Now it's 118. Yeah. So SCNX number 2, guys, on our list. The level that we should watch out for right now is the 143. So SCNX by far the second best stock for today. I'm gonna double check if we have it on our list. Let's see if we can open. Yes, we could buy a bit of SCNX. It is a bit risky stock, but this is the only one that we could actually buy. It hit a major resistance right now around the 125, so be careful, guys. 125, it is the current resistance for this stock. 125. It is a resistance and profit taking for SCNX. The rest, I will keep my eyes close to NVE or NFE for the 153 support. Beyond Meat is still beyond recovery here. Currently testing an interesting support, guys, around this level. Yes, over the 120. We have the 120 and the 91. Current resistance and sellers is around the 149 for Beyond Meat, if you're wondering, guys. The stock is still inside this channel. We didn't break it yet. However, it's getting near a reversal zone. SCNX, I will keep eyes close to SCNX and NFE. And by the way, guys, we got earnings for Palantir yesterday. Even though we have green earnings, we pulled back for Palantir. We have a great support to hold over the 187 for Palantir. I will see if we're gonna hold the 187. Otherwise, I will watch for other dip for Palantir for today. Shopify the same, pull back 4%. It's getting near a juicy support as well. Ethereum going down. Ethereum is going down, broken the support, have broken the support. Resistance is up below the $4 or 4,000. We have a huge pullback, guys, for Palantir going down. Once again, Dogecoin the same. And we have a correction for crypto. Correction, guys. Huge correction coming up again. Watching for a major correction for Bitcoin. 103 is going toward the 100 again. Let's go back to PTLE and SCNX, the main stocks for today. SCNX is available, guys. Available. Open is continued to go down as well, like Beyond Meat. So SCNX is pulling back. Time for a pullback for SCNX. Yeah, it hit a resistance for SCNX. Watching for a reversal for SCNX over over the $1. We have two supports. I'm watching for entry for SCNX, the $1 and the 74, I think. Let's see in a smaller picture. Yeah, 94 and the 74. Two support reversal, guys, watching for SCNX because it's pulling back now. NFE, I will double check if we have it. I think we have it. Yes, we have it. We could actually buy it. So NFE, guys, and SSCNX is both of them looking interesting, especially SCNX because it might reverse now over the $1. Look at that. We have imminent reversal from the $1 or the 95. Yes, over the 95 cents. It is a strong support, for my opinion. Good morning, everybody. Lizzie, John, boom, boom. Good morning or good afternoon, because here is afternoon in France. Is your volume setting low? What you mean? You mean the voice? My voice is low? I don't know what you mean, brother. NNE and Mara. Let me check my brother George. You asked me on Discord, I think you have two stocks. Yes, you said NNE and Mara. George, one of our members on Discord and Patreon. Shout out to George for the support. Thank you, man. So I'm gonna check your stock NNE. First of all, NNE 5% down, brother. It hit a major resistance. Yeah, around almost the $50. Currently have two support. The first one is the 41.30, and the second one, or the bottom, will be really interesting if we go there to buy the dip, is around 35.30. Current resistance is just below the $50. And the other level, if we broke the 49, is the 54 for profit taken. For Mara, on the other hand, we got, yeah, support has been tested now. The main support now is 1576. 1576, and the bottom should be the 1290, because now the crypto is going down. So if we have a huge flush, we're gonna break the 1576 and go toward the 1290. Would be great dip reversal, for my opinion. Watching NFE, guys, and SCNX. SCNX is about to have a reversal, guys, here. A really critical zone right now over the 95. If we help, we're gonna reverse toward the $1 and $1.20. Psychological love of SCNX. We have two stocks we could trade in Europe: SCNX and NFE. MSBR and BTLE is currently not available in Europe. Just for close, updating the support for BTLE. As a reminder, guys, BTLE, it was really better entry in the pre-market watch list that we did on our Discord. As you can see here, the price was around the 33. Before doing our live streaming, we always do updates for our watch list for entry and exit. This was 2 hours before the market opened, and the price hit the 43 and pulled back now. So it hit the profit taken for PTLE, and now is around the 39. SCNX, now, yeah, the reversal happened before the market opened by 1 hour, and now there's a chance for another reversal up after this pullback. So I'm watching it closely. John, doing great, man. A lot of things to do, a lot of things to solve, but everything is good. Hopefully, hopefully the family is good, man, and your health. The most important thing is your health is good, man. The rest is extra. Okay, CMBM. CMBM. A lot of you ask me this one. 12%. Got earnings coming up in just 2 days. We have a huge jump early on here, 1000%. Now is yeah, it's pulling back down. We have a huge pullback for it. The next jump should happen here around the $3.30. This is the price that we should break to go up once again toward the 4 and the 6. $2 is the support. Current resistance is just around this channel that we should break. lowering the resistance again here around the 294 for a breakout. Yeah, it looked really interesting, guys. This one did 1000% a few days ago, and now is correcting down toward the 2 and the 140. So it's currently looking great. So I'm gonna keep it on the list here. We call this sleeping giant. Sleeping giant. Okay. Let's have a huge green day for today, guys. 5 minutes left. Guys, as a reminder, we got a lot of people, a lot of you just follow, not subscribing. So we have almost 60% of people who watching not subscribing already. So if you forget, just a reminder, guys. I know even for me, I really hate someone to tell me what I should do. But this is not for me, guys. This is for our channel, our community to get more spread and, of course, get suggested by YouTube to help other traders. So, yeah, this is the least you can do to support the channel, guys. Just subscribe and put a notification on in order to be notified. Because yesterday, some of you said, I didn't see your live streaming. So, one of the reasons is you're not subscribed. Anyway, SCNX, guys, found support. This one did the huge reversal here. 62% in just 45 minutes. Good morning, everybody. Uber down, yes. Uber, I think, have earnings later on. HBio, I will check it right now. 4% down. Nothing much, brother. This one have earnings as well coming up. 6th of November as well. Pre-market. Yeah, HBio, I think we already covered it, no? No, we didn't. Have a resistance to break just around 65, yes. Current support over the 48, but the resistance is a bit far here. Yeah, we have to do 16% to break to go toward the 73 and around the $1. I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list because H Bio, guys, it already did as well almost 150%. So going back for the main unicorn for today, BTLE and SCNX, guys, are the one to watch. And NFE and MSPR. We got 4 looking great for today. I'm gonna take open from the list here. Beyond Meat, it might reverse at any moment, guys, over the 120, so it's not bad as well. So yesterday 16% and now is 8%, so it's kind of discounted. Going back to SCNX, watching this one closely with NV with BTLE, yes. But this one we could not trade it, guys, only for close. Yeah, TGE has a really good run yesterday. Today is still looking great. I put it on the main list as well here. It need to break the almost the $2 to go up again. But yeah, TGE, brother, thank you for the reminder. Looking great as well for today. If it's held the 138, so I'm gonna keep it on the list here. Okay, we got a few seconds, guys. As we said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button on the way in, and support the channel, guys. We always go live 30 minutes before the market open every day to discuss the market and trade together. Early on, we always do watch list. If you want to have early access, of course, the link in the comment section below to our Discord and Patreon. Today, the hunt was for BTLE. We discovered it around 33. We hit the 43 before even the market opened, and we went down. So let's get right to it. The market is open. SCNX fighting, guys, for a reversal. If we held here, we're gonna reverse. NFE, it broke the support. So this is leave us with just those stocks. BTLE and MSBR still number one because they are near the resistant breakout. TGE is a bit weak here. SCNX is the main event. If we reverse here, would be the best trade for today, for my opinion, because it's not overextended. Yeah, the SPY is important. I will check it later, George. Palantir, we have a bit of buyer over the 187. Palantir have really great earnings, but I think it's pulled back because maybe the insiders want to buy cheaper price for Palantir. Uber is down, yes. We have earnings today, pre-market, yes. Left is, I think, tomorrow, but yeah, Uber went down after good earnings as well. Huge earnings for Uber. Sometimes we have this kind of reaction, even good news or good earnings, the price go down. So MSBR trying to break here. If we broke, we might get halted up. Okay, BTLE, we got a huge buyer for BTLE, guys. Is about to test the breakout zone around the 44. MSBR the same. SCNX testing the support now. I'm gonna lower the support just in case if we pull back. This is should be the support for today. If we don't want to have a flush, guys, we should hold the 87, yes. Current resistant, I'm gonna change it toward the $1.03. And profit taken is around $1.21. SCNX currently trying. TGE, I'm gonna take it from the list, is a bit weak. NFE, I don't trust it that much. TERN doing all right here. We have a breakout from the 1622. BTLE almost tested the breakout. SCNX, guys, reversing. SCNX is reversing perfectly here. So yeah, SCNX currently trying to break. So far, so good. Let's see if we got halted for SCNX. Let me just try to check. No. Okay, we have a breakout. BLTI, PLTI, we got two on PLTI and PTLE. Let's see if this one look great. Okay, SCNX, technically we don't break the 103, guys. We have only a test. Be careful, SCNX didn't break the 103 yet. Fake breakout. PLTI is not here. PLTI is not there. PLTI. Strange. Think we got two. Okay. Fox is dead. So yeah, this is keep us with BTLE, which have a breakout test and fake out. And SCNX, guys, SCNX and BTLI, they are just near the breakout zone. We got the request to stock from our elite member here. He tries HTZ. HTZ, guys. Let's see this one. 14%, I think, because of earnings. Yeah, pre-market today. Now it's pulling back after humongous jump. Wow. Anyway, so Hertz brother have earnings yesterday. We got a nice support over the 543. Bottom should be over the $5. And the current resistance that we should break now is around the 585. Yeah, 585. Current profit that we might hit is around the 615 and then the 673 if we go up. But if we broke the 540, watch out for the 5. If we broke the 585, watch out for the 615 and 673. This is for HTZ. Going back, BTLE didn't break the 45, guys. Big seller over there. SCNX didn't break the 103 or the 13 cent, which is the breakout now. MSBR, on the other hand, it is, yeah, trying to break the current resistance around the 85. So far, so good. I'm gonna adjust the support for it around the 68. We need to hold this level to go up. MSBR is preparing for a breakout, a big breakout. Yeah, not enough volume in TGE. That's why I didn't keep it on the main list. CMBM looking good as well. Yeah, I kept it on the other list. CMBM looking good if it broke over the tree. Not now. The rest of the stock I don't like. TGE, yes, it broke the support, so it's not my cup of tea anymore. Yeah, the only one that look great, guys, is MSBR and TERN. TERN, we have escaped from this stock from the 1622. Alert, guys, TERN looking great now. Yeah, TERN, one that we should keep our eyes on it closely. Yeah, TRN, we have a target just below the $20 that we might hit. Yeah, it's getting near a resistance just around the 1950. We have explosion for this one today once we broke this level around the almost the 1560. Light volume, guys. This one it is jumping on light volume. MSBR is about on the verge of breaking out here from the 85. There's a psychological level to hit for this stock is around the $1. SCNX, yeah, $1.03 didn't break. And BTLE still below the 45. If we broke the 45, we might have avalanche of buyers. For now, let us see the top gainer for today. We got Evoke. This one, guys, I think have offering. So I will pass. DENN, the same, I think is earnings. TCMD, light on volume. This one is dead. TERN is still on our list. HTZ broke the resistance and now is going toward profit taking just below the 630. Pay, yeah, Hertz has earnings. This one, light on volume, have earnings as well, but the action already happened, so there is no entry for it. Upwork, I think, have earnings as well, 14%. Upwork after hours yesterday. Huge, humongous jump for Upwork. But look interesting for a dip entry, just over the 17. So not completely bad. So we got Upwork and Hertz. I might update the level for them later. HTZ and Upwork. Going back to the main list. SCNX is about to break. MSBR pulled back. So we got the top two stocks. We got SANX and TERN, guys. Both of them are available on in European market, so those the one that we could trade. Current support now is over the 93 for SCNX. TERN, we got a current support, let's say, over the 1654. Current resistance is just below the 1950. Adjusting the support for it as well. TERN, not bad if it held the current support here. You are welcome, brother. Is CNX? Oh man, it didn't break yet, man. We still didn't break. We have a fake out. This is called fake out, guys. This is called fake out. Still not broken yet. Okay, so we still keeping SCNX here. Hopefully we don't have a fake out again for this candle. We need to hold over the 103 this time. Another correction for the market. SCNX, this time we might have a breakout. Let's see. I think we holding right now. Nope, not yet. Patience game. It is a patience game. CRML turn green. Wow. Okay, we got the mini test for this resistant. No breakouts. Sellers is still controlling this stock, guys. Now I'm on watching for a pullback. We might have a pullback. We'll see. No confirmation yet for SCNX. TERN is number one now. Number one stock for today is TERN, guys. Even though on light volume, but it's currently holding the gains and doing new high. Better than the rest. Let us double check those stock that been halted for today. We got PRHIZ, Mason, and OMA. Yeah, most of them are kind of dead on volume because I can't find them here. Let's check no NOMA. I think it's dead in volume. Yes, it's dead. Yeah. Okay, SCNX breaking out now officially. Finally. SCNX guys is moving perfectly now. TERN is moving perfectly as well. It's getting near the major resistance, but SCNX is moving. Finally, we got the buyers for SCNX. Finally, man. Patience, patience, guys. It is the key. Now we have a level around the 114. Yeah, 114 should be a resistant now. A resistant profit taken. 113, yes. 113, guys. Should be a resistant. Now 109 for SCNX. Watch out, everybody. SCNX could be a good exit zone around the 113 just in case. I would be ready to exit now for SCNX to take a profit on this trade. Yeah, taking profit here because I don't trust it that much here. Yeah, I don't trust it. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance now around this level. Yeah, around just 1 to 13. We almost tested for SCNX. TERN is pulling back. I think I'm gonna lower the resistance now around the 1877 for SCNX or TRN. And let's see if we hold over the 1665 for reversal. So technically, and we only have SCNX and TRN because MSBR didn't break the resistance around the 85. SCNX trying to break the 113 now. Adjusting here the main resistance 121. Hook lit Kenny, a great hunt, my brother. Yeah, it was sweet. Sweet home Alabama. Let's go. Yeah, TRN recovering a bit, currently strong. Aha, TRN now the volume is picking up pretty much good. 4 million, not bad. It's a bit expensive for a unicorn stock. Is pharmaceutical company, yes, I think you got some drug news for this one. Yeah, today the market is a bit slow, guys. We don't have like a crazy stock that jump with a few rockets. It's a bit slow, slow and steady. TCMD might be good. TCMD, pharmaceutical company as well. Jumping on the great earnings. It's getting near a major resistance as well. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna keep it later. I'm gonna short it later for you guys. For CMD, looking great. The CNX pulling back. Yeah, so we don't have a strong action now. Only pullback. Pulling back. Like TERN is now currently pulling back a bit. SCNX pulling back, PTLE pull back, MSBR and TCMD near a major breakout zone. But technically, the market is pulling back for the unicorn. For the blue chip company, they are reversing up. Like for APLD, have a huge selling pressure at the market open, but now is reversing. All the market reversing up a little bit, but yeah, APLD did a fantastic job of reversal here, reversing almost 9% already. Yeah, great reversal for APLD. Tesla, on the other hand, doing just 1%. AMD 3%. Plug doing fantastic, 8%. Yeah, we got a nice reversal for the market, not bad. TRN on the other hand, yeah, TRN, nothing much. SDNX, nothing much. Yeah, we're gonna do a major update later on, guys, like what we did today before the market opened to catch good play and good trades. Today we traded, or we the hunters traded with us PTLE. PTLE, it was in pre-market best entry and exit around the 43, as you can see here from the green line, which is the profit taken. Those updates we do always on Discord and Patreon, and of course on the Unicorn Hunt we do other updates during the market open. Yesterday we did for MSPR, as you see here. We did for TERN, really good, because today price hit the 1770 and almost hit the 19. And this trade was yesterday. We said the resistance is 1583. So we're gonna do another update for today for the rest of the stock that we traded today. And other new unicorn, we'll see if the market or if the news hit the market later on, which usually do. We're gonna do another update. Meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and of course Beyond Meat I will do update YouTube video for today for updating the levels of support. I think it started to reverse right now. Yes, look at that. It hit a major bottom, guys, the $1.20. Currently reverse almost 14%. So this is might trigger a huge squeeze, guys, for Beyond Meat. I'm gonna update the level later on and do a video, urgent video for Beyond Meat. In meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back tomorrow, the same time, 30 minutes before the market open, of course, and before that on Discord and Patreon. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in a bit.